Unlocking the power of memory triggers in language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an incredibly powerful tool that can help you on your language learning journey: memory triggers. By understanding and using memory triggers, you can significantly enhance your ability to remember new vocabulary, phrases, and concepts in English. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets of memory triggers together. Memory triggers are any stimuli that prompt or evoke a specific memory or association in your mind. These can be sights, sounds, smells, or even emotional states that bring back memories without conscious effort. In the context of language learning, memory triggers are particularly useful because they help you connect new information with something already familiar to you, making it easier to recall later. There are several types of memory triggers that can be particularly effective in learning English. 1. Visual triggers. Images, colors, or symbols that help you remember words or phrases. 2. Auditory triggers. Sounds, music, or rhythms that remind you of certain vocabulary. 3. Emotional triggers. Emotions or feelings associated with specific words or language experiences. 4. Contextual triggers. Situations, locations, or scenarios that help you recall phrases or usage. By incorporating these triggers into your study routines, you can create a rich, multi-sensory learning experience that enhances retention. To make the most of memory triggers in your English learning, follow these steps. 1. Connect new information with personal experiences. Try to relate new vocabulary or phrases to your own life experiences. This personal connection acts as a strong memory trigger. 2. Use visual aids. Create flashcards with images, or use apps that incorporate visuals alongside words. 3. Listen to English songs and podcasts. This helps in associating certain phrases or words with rhythms or specific sounds. 4. Practice in context. Use new words or phrases in sentences or stories that are meaningful to you. Creating a narrative around a word can serve as a powerful trigger. 5. Emotional engagement. Learn with content that you find emotionally engaging, whether it's humorous, inspiring, or relates to your interests. Memory triggers can dramatically improve your language learning efficiency by enhancing retention and recall of new vocabulary, making learning more engaging and less monotonous, providing a deeper, more contextual understanding of language, helping overcome the forgetting curve by anchoring new information in existing knowledge. That's all for today's exploration of memory triggers in English language learning. By harnessing the power of these triggers, you can create a more engaging, effective, and enjoyable learning experience. Remember, the key is to make the learning process as personal and connected to your life as possible. We hope you found this video helpful, and we can't wait to see how you apply these strategies to your language learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.